Good morning, children. Welcome to today's culture course class. In today's culture course class, we learn about Narsi Mehta, children. So we are learning about many great saints, and also we are learning how the devotion, what they had towards the work, what they did, and also towards the God. So today's class, we are going to learn about one such man, great man, whose name is Narsi Mehta. So Narsi Mehta was living in a town called Junagadh. Junagadh, that is in the Gujarat. So in that town, he lived actually before 500 years ago. This story has happened. So he was a great devotee of Lord God Krishna, and always he will be singing the bhajans of Lord Krishna. His one of the famous bhajan was the Vaishnava Janato, which is very familiar for most of the people. So Narsi was a very rich man, but what he used to do, he was giving all the money for the poor people to help them. So as he was doing that, one day he became a poor man and he was not having money with him. Manek Bai was his wife, and he had a daughter, and she was much worried about their poverty, as they were not having money, no money, and the daughter is growing up and she wanted to get her daughter married. So she asked Narsi Mehta, see, like this situation, what we will do, how we will be getting our daughter married, what can be done? You please go and ask some other rich people to give you some money so that we can get her married. So that time Narsi Mehta told to his wife, see, Krishna of Dwaraka, you all know that God Krishna in the Dwaraka, he came in my dream and he said that, what he says that, see, you send somebody to Dwaraka with a hundi for any amount of money, address it to Seth Samaldas. So what is the God's order given to Narsi Mehta? You send a hundi. Hundi is so somebody can carry it, and so that the person whom it is addressed, they will give the amount what it is given on that hundi. So he will give you the money and you can get your daughter married. Don't worry. This is what the order given to me by the God, he said. So Manek Bai thought she was greatly relieved. She said that, okay, then at once you start that work. So they write the hundi. Narsi wrote a hundi of rupees 1,500, asked their cowherd, there was a man, cowherd, they have cowherd. So he told, you take it to Dwaraka and you give this letter to the man, that is the Seth Samaldas. So he will be giving 1,500, you bring it back to me. So this person was living in one person, cowherd. So there were some merchants, they were staying with the cowherd's house. They listened to all this when the cowherd said, they said that we have some money. We are going to Dwaraka only. So we will give you the money. Why you have to come there and get the money and bring it back? So we will give you the 1,500 rupees. You give it to the Narsi Mehta, and we will take this hundi, that letter which is in which the amount is mentioned. We will take to the Seth Samaldas and we will get the money, so that you don't need to come there and get the money. Same way, this was told to the wife Manek Bai. She agreed that, okay, somehow if I get the money earlier, I can get my daughter married, she thought. So she took the money from the merchants who were staying with the cowherd, and the 1,500 was given to her, and with that money, happily she made the daughter get married. And these merchants now, with that hundi written to Seth Samaldas, they go to Dwaraka and they searched everywhere, but they could not able to find out a person named Seth Samaldas. So they got so angry and they thought that the Narsi Mehta only given the hundi to the cowherd only give to them. So they thought that Narsi Mehta has deceived them by writing a hundi to a person who is not at all there. But when they were thinking that, by the time one person came near them and they said that, he asked, what is the problem? Why are you all searching for somebody? Whom are you searching for? So when they said that, he said, I am the Seth Samaldas and I am ready to give you 2,000 rupees. But the merchants told, no, the hundi is written only for 1,500. But he said, the Seth Samaldas said, I have brought rupees 2,000. You may take this entire money and just to give me the hundi back to me. The merchant hesitated. Sir, how can we take more money than we have given? because we gave only 1,500 to the cowherd, and cowherd gave to the Manik Bai, and they got their daughter married. Please give us only 1,500. The Seth said, doesn't matter. I shall give you rupees 500 as a gift because you have helped my devotee Narsi. Now they all were understood that the person who came as Seth Samaldas was none other than the Krishna of Dwaraka. So that was the devotion what Narsi was having towards the God. And God himself came in his dream and he said to do this. And in return, instead of Seth Samaldas, the God himself came as the person and he gave the money to the merchants. See, in this story you can see how the true devotion is, even the God is pleased with the true devotion and he is ready to help the Narsi Mehta. God Krishna himself had come as Seth Samaldas to help his devotee. Now, as usual, in this lesson also you have some meaning. Deceived means cheated, and hesitated were undecided what to do, they were thinking. So now there are some questions, children. As usual, you find out the answers just by marking it. Read the story 2-3 times and learn the new words and also the meaning, and try to make some sentences on that and using that, and try to find out the answers. Today's class we learned a story about another great devotee of Lord Krishna, that is Narsi Mehta. Let us meet in the next class, children. Bye bye, children.